Hey guys, what's happening? How to send ripples or XRP from Coinbase to Kraken. So basically log in using your account. And unfortunately for me, because I did not verify my Coinbase, I won't be able to show you the steps to send from Coinbase. But in my case, I use Kraken, right? And I verified my identity already. So I'm gonna go ahead to Kraken to generate an address. From there, you're gonna be able to go to Coinbase, log in using your account, and select the coin, right? Which is ripples, right? And from there, you're gonna be able to hit send and add the address. So I'm gonna show you how to generate an address. Click the portfolio at the bottom, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the ripples, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead to the ripples right here, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit deposit, okay? And then hit I understand. And then you're gonna be able to copy the address, okay? And from here, you're gonna be able to receive the Ripple address through any network, that depends really. And you're gonna be able to paste or to generate the address or copy the address and paste it in Coinbase, and from there you're gonna be able to send ripples from Coinbase to a Kraken. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.